Central, welcome back. This is Coach D. This week we're going to do a little more cooking. We're going to, nice and easy, going to make two pizzas today. The first pizza is going to be a margherita pizza, which we have the buffalo mozzarella and the fresh basil. And then the second pizza is just going to be pepperoni and cheese. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to flour our surface. It's been cleaned, wiped down, ready to go. So we're going to take this all-purpose flour, and we're just going to flour the surface and spread it out. Come over here, grab the dough. Now you guys, you can make your own dough if you feel so inclined. We didn't do that, and we just bought it at the market. So we're going to flour it and then start to spread it a little bit. And once we start to get it big enough, what we're going to do is we're going to go here, we're going to flour this rolling pin, and we're just going to start to flatten it. Now we get it into a nice workable circle. You get here, you can stretch it out a bit. At this point, what we're going to do is we're going to follow the peel a little and build the rest of the pizza right on the peel. Build our crust. And if you're not getting messy, you're not having fun. So flour's going to be everywhere, but that's all right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the marinara sauce, the pizza sauce. We actually made sauce last night, so this is some of the extra sauce. Just going to take it, make sure we don't make too much of a mess, and then from the middle out to the edges, spread the sauce. Once we have that covered, what we're going to do now is going to take the ingredients for our first pizza, which is the margherita pizza, and we're going to tear basil. We don't want to cut it because all the oils will leak out of the leaf, so we tear it. It stays nice and fresh that way. You don't need too much because basil is strong. And then slices of buffalo mozzarella. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to go into the oven here, and you can see that we have two pizza stones already in there. They've been sitting at 550 degrees for an hour, so they're actually up to temp. So what we want to make sure is we want to make sure that the dough doesn't stick right to the pizza stone. So we're going to take some cornmeal, and we're going to sprinkle the stone, and then hopefully slide this bad boy right on. Boom! Pizza number one in. Okay, so that's gonna cook 550, probably gonna take 10 minutes. All right, and what we're gonna do is just gonna repeat the same process, pepperoni and cheese. And we'll show you that before we drop it in. Pepperoni pizza is done. We're gonna throw that on the bottom rack right here. And you can see the top shelf, the margherita is almost done. I'll put that in. All right, in a few minutes we'll be ready to go. Guys, so pizzas are done. We have the margherita pizza right here. pepperoni and cheese. I like to finish my pizza with a little bit of Parmesan, so I'm gonna do that. My daughter does not, so we're gonna leave that one alone. Hope you guys are being well. Stay safe. See you soon.